To begin editing the FAQ section on your Shopify theme, first head to the Edit Code area and click on Customize Theme. Once you're inside, click on Add Section and select the section titled ANY FAQ 1. Within this section, you can start by choosing a background color and setting a border color to match your design aesthetic. Adjust the overall padding to control spacing, including specific settings for left and right padding, with separate options for mobile view to ensure responsive design. You also have control over text alignment, allowing you to center the content if needed and fine-tune it further for mobile screens. You can enhance the look by customizing the background radius and setting the maximum width for the FAQ section. Now, you can add a heading and choose its font size, including a separate size for mobile viewers. Pick a suitable heading color to match your brand identity and follow up by adding a paragraph description. Customize its font size for both desktop and mobile views. To make your section more interactive, include a button with a custom link. You'll have options to define the button's background color, text color, and margin on the left side. You can also style the button further by setting the border color, adjusting its text size, rounding the corners with button radius, and defining its width. Next, go back and click on Add FAQ item to begin building your FAQ blocks. If you want to include multiple questions, simply keep adding more items. Each FAQ block allows you to set a border color and a border radius for a softer or sharper design. You can personalize the question and answer text colors separately. Font size controls are available for both questions and answers, including mobile-specific options. Finally, you can choose the color of the arrow icon that appears next to each question and answer, ensuring the design remains cohesive. With all these customization options, you can create a highly engaging and visually consistent FAQ section that looks great on both desktop and mobile devices.